Do you know that it costs anywhere between $5,000 and $15,000 to bring in a new hire every time you have to hire a new person? And you start taking a look at those numbers and what that looks like at the end of a fiscal year, you could be spending a lot of money on recruitment and trying to get people to stay there. So why not get the most out of that recruitment dollar? If you're gonna be spending that kind of money on turnover, well, maybe we can reduce our budget and maybe we can squeeze out some more money for pay and other things that are needed in the workplace by having a better retention policy and a better experience for the staff. I certainly would rather spend the money on my team and within my organization than giving it to some other entity to go find recruitment people and get them into my organization, right? So let's invest the money into the team rather than recruitment activities. So what do I mean by that? Well, we know that the onboarding process is really important. We know that most people quit within 30 days. Well, the question you need to ask yourself is, what is my retention rate? What do I look like after a 30-day, 60-day, 90-day, and a 1-year activity in my organization? Where am I in that? Am I at 100% turnover? Am I at 50%? Am I at 25%? What would it mean just to move it by 5% less turnover? What would that be? That could be tens of thousands of dollars per year. So let's invest that time and energy and money into training programs, in employee appreciation. Let's have some, pizza nights. Let's have some bowling nights. Let's take the crew out for a fun time. Let's have a family cookout where everybody brings their family and we do something together. There's lots of things. One of the key things you could be doing is just surveying the existing employees and go, hey, what do you want to do? How can we celebrate what we're doing? What would be of interest to you? You might find out they just want to go to the ball game. Maybe they want to go to the movies. You never know until you ask that question. Start there, because every team is different. Their needs and wants are different, but find out from the existing team, hey, what would make you happy? What is it that we can do for you to make the experience working here even better?